Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a 118 Ford Police Interceptor utility, or a 118 Ford Explorer. It's decaled with the United States Border Patrol decals. It has a custom unit number, which is on the roof, on the two front fenders, and on the back, which we'll get to in just a second. And it also has custom license plates. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys the decals first. So this is the side of the Explorer. It has unit number, the green stripe, Border Patrol, and the other words and logo. And then here is the back of the Explorer. There's unit number, Border Patrol, and the custom license plate. So United States government license plate. There's a closer look at that. And then there's the number on the roof. And then the side's the same as the other side. And the front doesn't have too many decals, it just has the license plate, the same one as the one on the rear. It also has realistic spotlights. The other one's folded down, but it still has the lens right there. And then on the inside, there's the laptop, which you can see better when the light turns on. But it has a laptop screen and a mouse, and there's a painted interior also. Just go ahead and look at that. Okay. And then this model also has a push bar, obviously. Whoops. Yeah, it has a push bar and dogfish wheels also. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the first stage and the lighting. So the first stage turns on the headlights and fog lights, and all the lights are steady burning in the stage. And then also turns on the tail lights. There's the tail lights. And then the laptop light too. So there's the laptop light. And then there's the screen also, painted interior and the mouse. Alright. And let's go ahead and see the second and final stage, which turns on all the emergency lights. So we have the multi-pattern roof light bar, the push bar lights up here, and it also has the corner strobes on both sides. This side has the red corner strobe, the other one has the blue. Let's move on to the back. So in the back, you still have the light bar there, and then we have an interior traffic advisor. What's that? And all the lights are multi-pattern, so we can just go through all the patterns, and there are 12 patterns. So like always, I'll show you the front, and then we can go ahead and check out the back. So this is the first pattern, and I'll go through all 12. And now we're back to the first pattern again. So I'll be right back. I'll get this room dark, and then we can check out the model in the darkness. Alrighty, so this is as dark as I can get this room, but here's the model without any of its lights on. And then we can go ahead and switch on the headlights and taillights. There we go. So there's the front, and then the back, and the interior. Yep, and then we can go ahead and check out the emergency lights. So there we go. Just all the emergency lights turned on, and the headlights and taillights. And as usual, they're all super bright lights, so it looks really cool in person, more than the video. But the video looks cool as well. And then here's the back. Alright, and that sums up the entire model. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks for my customer placing this order. If you guys want to place an order, go ahead and email me at official.agcustoms@gmail.com. Or if you want to DM me through Instagram, that's fine as well. And then I'll see you guys next video.